So in today's video, I'll explain how to register in Naipunyam website under resume building and how to build your resume in it. So why this is important means now it has become mandatory for the final year students to create this because you need to create the resume here so that your resume will be stored in the website of Naipunyam so if it is stored in their database they can easily access and from here you can apply for jobs and all. So through this website you can apply for jobs and all. So this website is very important. You must register here and build your resume here. So in this video I'll show the complete registration process and how to build your resume here. So if you don't want to make any mistakes in this, go watch it completely. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So do check out my videos and on the notification bell for the latest updates. And follow my social media handles for more updates. Go to Google and click Naipunyam app gov.in. Click on first link. So you can just go to Google and click Naipunyam AP government. Then you'll get this page or I'll just share the link in the description. Please check it out. So after going here, you can register directly through resume building or just click on login. Click on citizen. Here you need to give your username and password. Then you need to enter your captcha. Then click on login. And if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password. And if you have not registered it, then you can register as citizen. There are two options, right? If you not registered it, you can click here. If you already registered, you can click on login. Here username means your phone number, then your password here. Okay. So let me enter the details. So after logging in, you will get the details like personal information, education details, soft skills and languages, employment status, enhanced resume with AI resume template. So here you need to give a full name, gender, father name, then date of birth. And you need to give address from Aadhaar. After that, you need to give your mobile number here and click on verify. You will get the OTP. Then you need to enter here. Then you need to verify your email ID also. You need to give your email ID, then click on verify. You will get the OTPs to your email. For mobile number, you will get to the SMS. So in that way, you can verify your numbers. So data from GSWS, this will be mostly filled. Next, you can scroll down. You will get communication address. Here, what you can do is you can first same as Aadhaar address. If you scroll up here, you can write your address, right? That same address, if you want to appear here, you can click on same as Aadhaar address. If you want the same as GSWS, which was the previous one, you can click this. Or if you want to enter manually, you can click it. Okay. After filling all the details, click on verify and continue. Then you will get the education details. You need to add your educational details here. Here, additional technical skills. If you have technical skills, click on S. You can add the skills like course sector. What courses you have done. You can select. And from which sector. In the same way, do you have traditional skills? Like traditional skills, nothing but like cultural activities like rangoli, drawing, crafting, craft works. That type of skills, if you have, you can click on S. If no, no. Click on S. If you have, then click on add. You can select the stream like from handicrafts and handloom, textile and leather, painting, decorative arts. Then you can click artisan if you have any. Then you can submit. If you don't have, you can simply click no. Then here you can add your educational details. Also click on add. I have already added BTech. So you can add your qualification like I have already added BTech, right? Now I'll add intermediate. Then course like in AP state or other states or abroad. So if you done it in AP state, you can click AP state. Then district of college, which then your college name, university, then qualification status like passed out or pursuing, and year. After that, academic year, then grading type. After giving all the details, click on add. After giving the details, click on next. Then you will be redirected to soft skills and languages. So here soft skills means like communication skill, adaptability, leadership, teamwork. That skills come under soft skill. If you have those skills, you can click S. Then click on add. You can select skills from here. So what skills you have, you can give here. So you can select the skills which you have. After selecting the skills, click on submit. Then language skills. Click on add. Click on select. Like the languages which you know, you can select. Suppose I select English. Then click on read, write, speak. Click on submit. The same way, if you want to add another languages, you can click on add. Then select Telugu. You can click on submit after. In the similar way, if you know any other language also, you can add it here. I'll add one more also. Then click on submit. After filling the details, click on next. Employment status, experience. Like if you're presently working in any company, you can click presently. You can click presently working. Previously worked but unemployed. Self-employed, never employed. You can select any of these. Next, do you want any aspiration which you want to achieve? Like if you want to achieve anything, like if you have any aim which you want to achieve. If you want to achieve anything, click on S. Then you'll get like aspiration sector, aspiration course. You can select if you want anything here. If no, you can click no. Then click on next. Now you'll get enhance resume with AI. Customize your resume summary with AI assistant. Click here. Click here. From here, you can select anyone. These are summary of your resume. So you can select anything from these three that will appear in your resume. Click on save. Then click on next. Now you'll get the resume templates. You can select any one of the resume template which suits you, which you like. You can select that and just click on submit. You'll get your details are updated successfully. Just click on close. Now I'll redirect to this page. Click on logout. Now click on login. Click on citizen. Give your username, password, enter the captcha given there. Click on login. So you'll get this page. You can download your resume by clicking on download resume. Then if you want to edit your profile, you can click on edit profile. Now here you can click on recommended jobs. If you find any recommended jobs, you can apply for them. And recommended skills. So if you find any, you can apply for that. And you can attend the job melas and everything. You get job notifications from here. And you can see the job mela which will be, you can find the job melas which will be held in certain district. You can attend them. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any videos from my channel, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, do like, hype and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for latest updates. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.